Hello. Our weather remains boisterous. The winds continue to be a big feature and will do into the weekend. Unseasonably windy, gusty conditions for many of us during Friday. The gusty winds will also blow in plenty of heavy showers. We should also see some sunny spells in between. Storm Ellen is drifting away, but kind of being consumed by this other area of low pressure, which will dominate through Friday and into the weekend. A lot of isobars on the chart, so it is still going to be windy, and as these weather fronts move through, they will be bringing bands of squally showers, just allowing those winds to really whip up all of a sudden. Let's look at the detail then of those weather warnings. The first warning for Thursday night, covering eastern parts of Northern Ireland, western fringes of Scotland, West Wales and down into southwest England. Gust of wind 40 to 50 miles an hour, on coast maybe 60 miles an hour, west coast of Wales possibly gusts for a time of 70 miles an hour. The strong winds then move as the bands of showery rain work across from these weather fronts. We'll start to see the winds picking up for central and then eastern parts during the first part of Friday. And then more widely on Friday, we have a yellow Met Office weather warning in force. Inland gusts of 45 to 50 miles an hour, around coast gust of 60 miles an hour and over hills. Now these kind of winds, both weather warnings, could cause some power interruptions, certainly some disruption to travel, ferry service cancellations, but we're also concerned about the strong winds combining with high tides, bringing some large waves and the potential for coastal flooding. So there are those weather warnings in force. Let's look at the weather then in more detail. Yes, we know it's going to be blustery, but there'll also be bands of showers coming in on Thursday night and dropping a lot of rain in a short space of time. Hail and thunder mixed in as well, and those winds just suddenly changing direction and whipping up. Look at that bright colours there as that band swings its way into Wales, western parts of England, Northern Ireland and southern Scotland during the early hours. Not too many showers across East Anglia and the southeast. And so although it's windy and although we're talking about heavy showers, look at the temperatures. A really warm night as well. Some towns and cities remaining in the high teens. So it's not a cold start to Friday, but it is going to be a blustery day with plenty of showers. Should start with some sunshine, especially across eastern parts of England, but quite a wet start for Northern Ireland, northwest England and southern Scotland. Some heavy bursts of rain again here. That band tracks its way northwards. And then it's more broadly sunshine and showers. With gusty conditions, it means the showers will zip through. It means you're never too far away from a sunny spell, but it also means the next shower isn't too far away either. But we should see some good gaps between the showers, so some places seeing some reasonably decent lengthy spells of sunshine. Parts of the south coast may not see too many showers, but elsewhere, when the showers come along, the temperatures will suddenly drop off. But actually, it'll still feel quite warm when the sun's out. Temperatures high teens, low 20s, not as warm across eastern parts compared to Thursday. And of course, with that gusty wind, it'll just feel a bit weird with that relatively warm weather, but also those strong and gusty winds, which, as I said earlier, could potentially cause some disruption. Now, it stays blustery with further showers for most parts during Friday evening, and that's how we go into the weekend as well. The showers don't really stop. The winds perhaps easing down a touch. Saturday, not as blustery, but still noticeably windy. And again, broadly speaking, it's sunshine and showers with bands of showers tending to come in from the west. Again, parts of the eastern England may not see too many showers, certainly early on, but by the afternoon, nowhere will be immune. And again, those showers, they won't last too long because of the strength of the wind, but they could be quite heavy. Temperature-wise, well, again, maybe just a touch down on Saturday, but still high teens, low 20s, I think to a fresher feel perhaps as we go through the weekend. The low pressure system responsible for all the gusty winds and the showers finally showing signs of clearing away by the time we get to Saturday night and into Sunday. It's still dominant on Sunday, but the isobars are more spaced out, a hint of a ridge of high pressure moving in. There will still be showers on Sunday, but the winds will be lighter. So yes, it's a windy weekend, but through the weekend, the winds will be easing with a mixture of sunshine and showers. For more details, as always, make sure you're following us on social media, and the weather warnings are constantly being updated, so make sure you've downloaded our app or visit our website.